Welcome to the unboxing of the structure deck Legend of the Crystal Beasts. Right, this front and back page here. So we open this up. Let me see, we got all my cards flying all over the place. That's wonderful. I was only trying to unbox you. Don't be that way to me, please. Okay. So we got hold on a second real quick, okay? We got if it'll open, that is. We got the Crystal Beasts mat. And then here we go. Some nice cards here. Nice Crystal Beasts. And we got the Crystal Pendulums. And we got Rainbow Dragon, Dark Rainbow Dragon. All these beautiful spielies and trappies. Let me make sure everything's face up. And this will actually help me because this will shuffle my deck up too. To where Rainbow Dragon will not be on the top. Because Rainbow Dragon being on the top would be a problem. I'd win faster if he was on top. Also, although the token should be separated from the deck, I'm not really going to worry about that right now. And there you have it. This is the Crystal Beasts set unboxing for Legend of the Crystal Beast structure deck.